To enhance your popularity while staying true to yourself, focus on self-awareness, kindness, and community involvement. Begin by defining what popularity means to you. View it as being someone others enjoy spending time with, rather than seeking universal approval. Embrace your individuality and stand firm on your beliefs, avoiding the pressure to conform. Maintain humility and care for your appearance without overemphasizing materialism. Expand your social circle by engaging with new people and joining clubs while fostering a kind and supportive environment by helping others and steering clear of judgment or bullying. Finally, learn to cope with negativity by distancing yourself from toxic influences and embracing new experiences to build confidence.